Good morning. This is the third analyst meeting, and the discussion will be on the 30th September 2025 financial position of Alsharkia Investment Holding and its subsidiary. I hope you are all able to hear me. If there's any questions, feel free to stop me. Um, Essentially, this company continues to progress well, and let me give you a quick brief about the financial position, and then I'll take any questions if you have any. Um, the 30th September numbers continue to be in line with our expectation, and the first 9 months, our book value currently stands at 173 Beza as a combined entity. This compares well with 165 Beza being the book value per share in December 2024. And we are in line with growing this company consistently. In terms of our asset position, we are stable, a little bit of volatility, but that comes from the market investment positions. But largely, we are in a positive trend as far as the holdings of our equity positions and our other assets are concerned. So we are on a stable uh, run rate as far as both the group and the subsidiary is concerned. From an income standpoint, our earnings per share is around 7 Beza. Uh, this compares to 4 Beza of the equivalent period uh, last year. And at this point in time, our both our revenue and our expenses are in control as far as our progress for the year closing is concerned. And there has been improvement both in the the investment book that we are holding, as well as the dividend income, which is a significant component of our income as far as this company is concerned. This is, as you already know, it's an investment holding company. We hold real estate bank. We have fixed income portfolio. We have equity portfolio. We have what we have both in FVOCI and FVTPL. I'll stop here, and if there's any questions, feel free to reach out or ask me any questions or any specific area that you want me to address as far as the financial position, financial disclosures are concerned, or for that matter, any specific area that you want me to expand on. Uh, if you have any questions, go ahead. If you're unable to speak, you can send me a message on the chat. I'm available on the chat also. Well, I don't see any questions coming up, both on the chat or on the voice. I have not much to add to what I have mentioned to you in terms of our financial position, and we will continue to keep this momentum of growth going. We follow a very conservative and very clear path in terms of our growth, and that we wish to pursue. We will continue to do that in this year and going forward in 2026 also. I am available on the email, so in case you wish to have any questions subsequently, feel free to reach out to me. At this point in time, a quick summary. Our equity capital is 9 million, and our total Net worth or total equity is at 15.598, represented by about 16.3 million in assets. And uh, we have a pretty uh, controlled receivables and payables, so there's uh, not much of you know liability that we're talking about. We do have some dry powder in terms of term deposits and cash balances, which for which we are actively pursuing opportunities, and we will deploy them when we see something which is uh, meeting our expectation, both in terms of growth, in terms of yield, and in terms of the opportunity to have significant asset growth in our books. So yes, the company does have a lot of dry powder in terms of being able to deploy fresh investments as and when they are. We actively are seeking out investments and broad base our portfolio. Thank you for your attention. I will now stop again. If there's any questions, feel free to ask me.
Your questions, please.
I don't see any questions at this point in time. I assume that you are, happy with what is the performance of this company. As I mentioned to you, I'm available on the email, and so feel free to reach out to me in case you have any questions. In the light that there is no more questions and there is no specific announcements or disclosures that we have from our end, I will close this meeting, and and thank you for your attention and for logging in to this meeting today, 30th November 2025, for the third September closing financial position of Al Sharqiya and its subsidiary. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you.